In this tutorial, we want to look at two ways to change the origin of an object. I'm in Blender. I'm using Blender 2.90.1. Now, what is the origin of an object? The origin is this orange dots here of that you can see here. If you want to see it well, let me move this a bit here, and then you see that this one here, this thing here, is the origin. Now you can change the origin to any place, because with the importance of the origin is that the origin can help you to do transformation. For example, if I want to do some form of rotation, I can come here, and then when I rotate, you see that the object goes around the origin. So it's a good thing to know how to move the origin. The first way you can do it is you can go to options here, and then you can say that okay, if you come to options, you see that you see transform, and then you want to say that whatever transformation you are going to do, you want it to affect only the origin. So when you take this, when you now come here, and then you want to do any kind of transformation like movement, in case I want to move it to this side, I can just now move it to this side, to this point here, because I'm just moving the origin. When I'm done with this, I can now go and deactivate it, because now in case I want to do something here, for example, like I want to rotate around that place, I want now to rotate the whole cube, so not the origin. So now I can easily rotate along where the origin of the cube is now moved to that place. Okay, now let's see here again. The next way to be able to do this, to change the location of the origin, is just by going to object. You go to objects, and then you say set origin. But first of all, I forgot, we need the help of the 3D cursor. So we come to the 3D cursor, and we use it to decide where we want to put our origin. So maybe in case you choose somewhere here, for example, just afterwards I'll show you how to put the 3D cursor at a specific at a precise place. I have a video on it, but I can explain it here as well. But let's say we have put it here, and now we want to move the origin there. We come here, object, we say set origin, and then we say origin to 3D cursor. Now the origin has moved to where the 3D cursor is, and then you can do any transformation you want. The last thing I just wanted to say, another thing maybe I need to tell you, is that you can also use this snap tool to help you to move the 3D cursor, so that afterwards you can apply this operation set origin. Now let's use that for you to see, although I'll do a whole new video on snapping in general. So let's go to the edit mode here, and then maybe we want to select an edge. So we go to edge. This is vertex, but I choose an edge, so I come here and select this edge. Now let's say that I want to snap this thing here to this edge here, so that I can move the origin there. So what I will do is that I will come to here, and then activate the snapping tool now. So if I activate the snapping, now I want the snap to be snapped. I want this 3D cursor to snap, for example, in the edge center. of the edge that I've selected, there are many options. You can choose the vertex and you want to snap at the vertex, you want to snap it at the edge, you want to snap it at the face, the volume. Let's look at the edge center. So if we choose that and we want to say that is by movement, so we select, oh sorry, it's already selected, so I rather deselected it. And now we go to the cursor and then we start moving it. You see that as I try moving it, so it snapped at the center now as it snapped at the center, I go to the object mode again, and then I go to object or set origin to 3D cursor, and now the origin moves here. Thank you for watching. If this helped you in any way, please help me by subscribing to my channel, or please give me a like. Thank you. Bye.